YouTube, it's your girl Melissa coming back at you with another product review. In today's video, I am super excited to bring you a new product that I just started using for my skin that I have fallen in love with, guys. I'm so excited to bring this information to you. I have done numerous videos on skincare products as well as my routine with my PMD devices, etc. I think it's super important to take the time out to ensure that you are doing like a deeper cleanse and that you're doing these treatments on a weekly or twice a week basis to make sure that you keep up your skin, your pores, etc. And one of the things that I have struggled with my larger, more congested pores is finding a mask that I like. So I don't mean a vitamin C mask or a plumping mask or one of those sheet masks. I mean something that's literally gonna pull that funk and gunk out of my pores. I have tried almost every clay charcoal mask literally that's on the market. With my background, I had access to brands like Peter Thomas Roth, Murad, Boscia, Caudalie, Patricia Wexler, Sunday Riley, Origins. Literally the list goes on and on and on. I just never really found anything that I absolutely loved. That sort of led me on a hunt, and this was years and years ago. So since then, I have tried multiple products, and those are here to my right. Things like the Saturn Sulfur Mask by Sunday Riley. Definitely proceed with caution with this mask. I think it works decent as a spot treatment, but holy smokes, you will literally burn your face. So watch out. Origins Clean Improvement Active Charcoal Mask doesn't do anything, in my opinion, other than completely strip my skin of every molecule of moisture. So I would say do not recommend. The most recent that I've tried that I don't know that I will ever use again is this, it went viral. It's like this Aztec secret mask. I don't know if you guys have heard about it. Comment below if you guys have tried or used any one of these. This is an Indian healing clay mask, and I did not know this when I bought it, but like, I'm gonna try not to make a mess. Ooh, fail. See, this is one of the reasons I don't use this crap. Oh, okay, I'm getting clay all over. I can't even open the jar. So, the point that I was trying to make, do you see that? Do you see that? So the point that I was trying to make is not only did this mask not work, but it requires you to be a kitchen chemist. You have to literally make your mask. So you literally mix the mask that's powdered form, like the clay is still powder, and you have to mix it and then apply it to your face. And the results, there were none. So not a big fan. This says it's 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. Yeah, you can keep that because this is like highly annoying. I was actually kind of scared of it because there were like things like don't mix it in a metal bowl and you have to mix it with apple cider vinegar, and it stunk so bad. Oh my god, it stunk so bad. And don't even get me started with smells. This literally smells like rotten eggs for like 3 days after you've wiped it off your face. Like your face literally smells like egg farts. I'm not kidding. All that to say, guys, this is not my first rodeo with masks. And I wanted to come today and share my experience with a new product because I have never had a product perform so well, so quickly, ever, okay, ever. And so I had to come and share this with my fans and any new viewers because this is like top notch. And that product is Sand and Sky. When you receive the mask comes inside of this box, and when you open it up, it looks small. It's 2.1 ounces, and this thing is like really, really heavy. Like it feels like I could lift weights with it. And they also include this super cute little application brush. And what I love about this is, honestly, it's the first time that I ever used a brush applying a face mask, and it makes things so much easier. You have so much more control over how much product you use and where you're putting it. It just kind of has like more of a spa feel to me. But I think my favorite part about it is that you're not wasting precious product on your finger, getting gunked up underneath your fingernails, your manicure, whatever. So this brush is super nice. I'm really happy they include it. And then when you open up the mask, you don't have to worry about any dust because the mask is already made for you. Go figure. So it's got this cute like mauve color, that's the pink clay. A little bit goes a long way, guys. So you only need to put a thin layer, and in just a moment I will actually show you the application process so that you can see that in action. You don't need a lot, and the brush ensures that you're not overusing the product. Before I show you how to apply this face mask, I just want to ask, are you subscribed to my channel yet? Girl, why not? Please hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, hit that notification bell too so that you can get alerts to the latest and greatest from me. Trust, girl, you are not gonna want to miss this. Welcome back, guys. So that was the process. Easy peasy, fresh and squeezy. Nothing too complicated. Literally, you just apply with the brush, wait 10 minutes, and then you just want to rinse it off with a lukewarm to warm face cloth, or you can just splash. I prefer a cloth just to make sure that I'm getting it out of the pores. But guys, this mask is so easy to use. It leaves your skin feeling so soft. It makes it feel and look incredible. Like, I noticed with one use the difference with my pores. And after continued use, I've only seen cumulative benefits. I am just so excited to share this with you because it was like a major unlock for me after trying so many products and being disappointed. So just a couple of things that I feel really make this mask unique. The Australian pink clay is going to obviously be the hero ingredient, okay? Clay, any clay, is known to pull out impurities. The clay that they use is sourced in southern and western Australia. It is the most effective clay on the market. In fact, this particular brand is the OG of face masks. So I just want you to be aware, this is not some brand new product that's on the market trying to take your money. They've been around a long time. If you watch other YouTube videos, you'll see videos 2, 3, 4 years back on the product. So it is tried and true. The Australian clay works really hard to purify your pores, to tighten them, and to clear out any excess sebum, any sort of gunk and funk that's living inside of your pores. It's really gonna help with congested skin and anybody that suffers from breakouts. Luckily, I am at the stage in life where I don't really get too many breakouts. Occasionally, I may get a hormonal breakout or, a zit here and there. But for any of you that are still struggling, this mask is said to have amazing benefits for troubled skin. The next ingredient that I find very interesting is actually vitamin C. And I know that that sounds like a pretty normal ingredient in today's skincare world, but what's unique about the vitamin C that they use is that it's actually derived from Kakadu plum, which happens to be the world's richest source of vitamin C. So not only are you getting vitamin C in the product, but you're also getting a very high concentration, so it's going to be more effective than other vitamin C's on the market. Now, for those of you that may be new to skincare, some of the benefits to vitamin C are that it is skin brightening, it helps with hyperpigmentation and an even skin tone. The thing that I find find really interesting about that is that typically any of the other masks behind me, the real goal is to clear out the pores or to reduce breakouts. The only way that you can really get vitamin C in a mask is by doing like a sheet mask or some sort of like a gel mask. You don't typically find vitamin C as an ingredient in a clay mask. It's very, very uncommon. I don't even know that I've ever found one. I really love that this mask is sort of double duty. It's not only extracting and pulling the impurities out of your skin, but it's actually putting back some essential nutrients that are going to help give you a healthy glow and supple, radiant skin. A lot of brands claim that they do this and that they have such and such ingredients, but this brand really, really delivers. You guys know, if you've been watching me a while, I always strive to find products that are free of chemicals. I really, really try to find things that are cruelty-free, vegan if possible. And so I am proud to announce that the Sand and Sky products are sulfate-free, paraben-free, toxin-free, phthalate-free, silicone-free, 100% vegan, and cruelty-free. Can I get a hell yeah? Like, I was so excited when I saw that on the website. Now that the product works so freaking amazing, oh, I'm so happy. I am over the moon with this mask. Literally one application, I saw a difference. By applications 2 and 3, it was like dramatic. When I tell you, especially like right now wearing face masks and having something like constantly rubbing against my nose and then I'm like breathing hot air, this is not a good time for skin, okay? And this mask is transformative. You put it on your skin and it has like this cooling, tingling feeling, and that kind of like lets you know that it's working. I didn't experience any sensitivity. I didn't experience any of that dry, like tight feeling, but my pores looked visibly smaller and cleaner. And I had so many blackheads on my nose. The first time that I put this on and then I removed it, literally there were like chunks of like white, like poking out of my nose as if the mask had pulled it to the surface. And obviously it's not a peel off mask, so it's not gonna rip it out, but I was able to literally just like scratch lightly and it just like melted out of my skin. I can't even explain, guys. It was miraculous. So then the second time that I did the mask, I followed all the instructions, did everything to the book, and then the same thing happened. Like it literally pulled like whitish yellow stuff to the head of my nose. So I went ahead and just used like a pore strip following the mask. And let me tell you, OMG. The amount of stuff that came out of my freaking nose was disgusting. I wish that I had taken pictures. Guys, I have never in my life seen that much gunk and funk on a pore strip. And you're talking to someone who has an extremely detailed skincare regimen. I mean, I literally do personal microdermabrasion twice a month. I use a PMD Clean Pro for my face. I never go to sleep with makeup on. I cleanse every night. I take extremely good care of my skin. And this pore strip was really grody. Like, it's embarrassing how much stuff was on there. This product works. It really, really does. I was extremely satisfied. I'm thinking in the next couple of weeks, I might actually come back and do a full start to finish beauty routine. If you guys want to see my skincare regimen from start to finish, I would be glad to bring a video like that to the channel. I know several of you have asked to see that already. So if you guys want to see this as a part of my channel lineup, definitely hit me in the comments below and let me know that's something you'd like to see, and I'd be glad to bring it to the channel. Overall, I cannot say enough about this face mask. I think I may actually try some additional products from their line because they really, really do work. If there are any questions about the product, if you guys have ingredient questions or any questions specific to your skincare needs, I would be glad to try and help you guys out. Go ahead and pop your questions in the comments below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me. If you are new to the channel and you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And make sure that you also hit that notification bell too, so that you don't miss out on alerts from the latest and greatest from me. It has been amazing hanging out with you guys. Don't quit your daydream, and until next time.